welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami, and today I'm coming to you guys with a new look. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look today, just stay tuned until the end. Hi guys. Okay, so I've already done my right eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate on the left how I achieve this look today. So I'm gonna start off by using concealer just to prime my eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Sephora Cream Caramel over my eyelid. I'm just looking in the mirror. And then I'm gonna take a damp sponge and just blend it out. Take just translucent powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and set that. I'm gonna take translucent powder, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer. This is the small size. I'm not sure if it's like a sample size of some sort. It was a little pricey too. It was like $20 for this little thing. It is 0.33 fluid ounce, or ounce I should say. But instead of getting the whole thing, you're not barely gonna get the chance to use all of this anyway, so I don't think it's much of a waste. Then I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush the excess powder away. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go into my palette, and brush, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the two orange colors. I'm gonna blend them and put them in the corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in, using the same brush, I'm gonna go into the brown color and add it to the outer corner, and then bring it in. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm gonna go back into the orange with this brush, and then I'm gonna go on top of the brown. I'm gonna go back again with this brush, and I'm gonna go again in the brown color just to add back that definition. Just in the inner though, just focusing mostly in the inner crease and the outer. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna take the concealer again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put concealer on the top of my lid. Using the ColourPop E3, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I'm then gonna go into the ColourPop palette, and I'm gonna use the yellow. I'm gonna use that color, and I'm gonna put it on top of my eyelid. Then I'm gonna go back into the brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend again. I'm gonna take the black and put it in the outer corner of my eye. Just use a little black, and you go over the blue. I mean, not the blue. You go over the brown. You don't add any extra. You just bring it around. Bring it around. Just take the orange. You just blend it all out. Course, not done yet. I'm gonna then take the loose pigment powder by the Zodiac collection, and I'm gonna take the water bearer, and I'm gonna put it over that same color I just did. I have to be so careful because the little thing will fall. That will be it for my loose pigment. Such a pretty color. You're gonna take it out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like I did on that end. Just a little bit. Gonna go ahead and line my my eyes. I'm not so good with lining my left eye. Then like this side I get perfect, but this side, no. Always catch me slipping. Let's try this now.
Okay guys, so in this clip I did not notice that my camera had stopped recording me at this time. I had already applied my foundation, applied my concealer under my eyes. Now I'm just contouring my face, as you can see from here on out.
And I'm going to take my e.l.f. small tapered brush and just blend away. And you gotta bring it up to the forehead.
I've found out that you can use just about anything to contour your face with, just as long as you go a few shades darker than your actual foundation shade, and it will turn out just as great. For me, I did end up using a concealer that was a few shades darker than my foundation color, and I used the color by Sephora called Truffle. And yeah, you can use just about anything, darker foundation, darker concealer, darker powders to achieve this look.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the translucent powder, and I'm gonna set the concealer using the damp the damp sponge, sorry. Over the nose, the forehead, and then you take it under the cheeks just to define what you just did. The lips, and then you go back with your fluff brush and then you brush off the excess.
Okay guys, so in this clip I did end up filling in my eyebrows with a dark brown eyeshadow. So for any of you guys that do not own an eyebrow kit, using an eyeshadow will work, as well as I did use mascara on my eyelashes. I know I do need to get with a program with the eyelashes, but check me out soon.
And then I'm gonna add Sin by MAC to the lips. with Max Fix Plus over the face. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. If you guys do like the way this look turned out and would like to see more videos like this, definitely feel free to like the video, share, and subscribe. And see you guys in another one. Bye!